Alright, so let's say we have this series like this, 1 over n to the p, and if p is greater than 1, then the series converges, and if p is less than or equal to 1, the series diverges. So we're going to look at, this comes from 5.3, it's question 17. And so this is our example in question 17. We've got this series. And so we have to calculate, we have to find, this is a p series, and you need to know what p is. And then that will let us know what answer to select, whether if it diverges or converges. So to find what p is, what we're going to do is we're going to rewrite it in this form. And so we have n to the 4th, and then we have the square root of n. So what I need to do is rewrite that square root of n. And the square root of n, we can change this from radical notation to fractional notation. And the square root of n, I guess I should write this a little differently because it almost looks like the 4th root of n. It actually looks like this on the mild in math. And so when you have a square root, this index here is 2, and that becomes your denominator when you write a fractional exponent. So a square root, a radical that looks like this, is the same as writing 1 over 2, n to the 1 over 2 power. If you had the third root of n, you would say n to the 1/3 power. The fourth root would look like this. So we have to make sure we remember our fractional exponent notation. When the exponent is not 1 is when you have something that looks like this. Maybe you have the cubic root of n squared. Then my numerator exponent would stay 2, and the denominator becomes the roots. So we have this. And so now I have n to the 4th and n to the 1/2. So now I'm going to combine that. And to combine that, remember when you have like bases and you want to combine their exponents, like bases, this is multiplication, and to combine those exponents, what you would do is you'd add them. So you're going to add 4 and 1/2. So 4 plus 1/2 we have to write with a common denominator. So I can rewrite the number 4 as 8 over 2 plus 1/2, so I get 9/2. So my exponent here would become 9/2. And now that I wrote this like this, I can see my p is 9/2. And so my p, I would answer p is equal to 9/2 on my open math. So I put in 9/2. And then I would select that since p is greater than 1, the series converges.